welcome to your YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now, you might be thinking, why to subscribe my channel, School Studies? So, here is the answer. You will get daily one video related to different subjects. It will help you and your child understand the topic easily. In your channel, there are videos related to subjects like English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics, and science. So today we will see a video related to the social science subject. In that, today's topic is landslide. The landslide process. The term landslide describes a wide variety of processes that result in the downward and outward movement of slope-forming materials including rock, soil, artificial fill, or a combination of this. The material may move by falling, toppling, sliding, spreading, or flowing. The accompanying image is a graphic illustration of a landslide with the commonly accepted terminology describing its features. Although landslides are primarily associated with the mountainous region, they can also occur in areas of generally low relief. In low relief area, landslides occur as a cut and fill failures, river bluff failure, lateral spreading landslides, collapse of mine waste pile, and a wide variety of slow failures associated with the quarries and open pit mines. Types of landslides. So let's see the types of landslides. So there are three different types of landslides. The slides, in that rotational slide, transactional slides, and block slide. Then it comes falls, rock fall, and toppling. Then it is flows, debris flow, earth flow or mud flow, debris landslide, creep, and lateral spreads. So let's study them in detail in this video. So first is slides. First one is the rotational slide. This is a slide in which the surface of the rupture is curved concavely upward and the slide movement is roughly rotational about an axis that is parallel to the ground surface and transverse across the slide. Translational slide. In this type of slide, the landslide mass moves along a roughly planar surface with a little rotation or backward tilting. Block slide. A translational slide in which the moving mass consists of a single unit or a few closely related units that move downslope as a relatively coherent mass. The next is falls. So first one is the rock fall. Falls are abrupt movement of masses of geologic materials such as rocks and boulders that come detached from steppy slopes or cliff. Separation occurs along discontinuities such as fractures, joints, and bedding planes, and movement occurs by free fall, bouncing, and rolling. Falls are strongly influenced by gravity, mechanical weathering, and the presence of transitional water. Next is toppling. Toppling failures are distinguished by the forward rotation of a unit or units about some pivotal point below and low in the unit, under the action of gravity and forces extracted by the adjacent unit or by fluids in cracks. The next is flows. The debris flow. A debris flow is a form of rapid mass movement in which a combination of loose soil, rock, organic matter, air, and water mobilizes as a slurry and flows downslope. Earth flows have a characteristics hourglass shape and The slope material liquefies and runs out, forming a bowl and depression at the head. Debris landslide. This is a variety of very rapid to extremely rapid debris flow. Creep. Creep is the imperceptible slope, steady downward movement of slow forming soil or rock. Movement is caused by the shear stress sufficient to produce permanent deformation but too small to produce shear failures. Lateral spreads. Lateral spreads are distinctive because they usually occur on very gentle slopes or flat terrain. The dominant mode of movement is lateral extension accompanied by shear fractures. The next is landslide causes. So let's see the causes of the landslides. So first causes is geological causes. In that, weak or sensitive materials, weathered material, shear jointed material, adversely oriented discontinuity, contrast in permeability and or stiffness of material. The next cause is morphological cause. Tectonic or volcanic uplift, glacier rebound, fuel wave or glacier erosion of slope, toe and lateral margin, subterranean erosion, depositions, loading slope or its crease, vegetation removal, freeze and thaw weathering, shrink and swell weathering. The next cause is human causes. Excavation of slope or its toes, loading of slope or its crease, drawdown, deforestation, irrigation, mining, artificial vibration, water leakages from utilities. The next is the effects of landslides. So let's see what are the effects of landslides. So led to economic decline. Landslides have been verified to result in destruction of property. If the landslide is significant, it could drain the economy of the region or country. After a landslide, the area affected normally undergoes rehabilitation. This rehabilitation involves massive capital outlay. The next is decimation of infrastructure. The forced flow of mud, debris and rocks as a result of landslides can cause serious damage to property. Infrastructure such as roads, railway buildings and communication systems can be decimated by a single landslide. The next is loss of life. Communities living at the foot of hills and mountains are at a greater risk of death by landslides. A sustainable landslide carries along huge rocks, heavy debris and heavy soil with it. This kind of landslide has the capacity to kill a lot of people on impact. The next is affects beauty of landscapes. The erosion left behind by landslides leaves behind rugged landscapes that are unsightly. The pile of soil, rock and debris downhill can cover land utilized by the community or for agricultural and social purposes. Impact river ecosystem. The soil, debris and rocks sliding downhill can find way into river and block their natural flow. Many river habitats like fish can die due to interference of natural flow of water. Communities developing on the river water for household activities and irrigation will suffer if flow of water is blocked. This was all about landslides and the causes of landslides and the types of landslides. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, questions or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. If you want videos or related to any subject or topic, you can feel free to suggest us. You can also follow the channel School Studies on Facebook page, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.